Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, we're just going to be playing in some makeup. I'm going to create like a super cute makeup look for you guys because I feel like I haven't done any like really cute makeup looks on my channel in a while. So that's what we're going to do today. I have a bunch of new products from Covergirl. They sent me this huge PR package. Let me show you guys. So they sent me this really big PR package with a bunch of foundations and powders and a whole bunch of eye stuff and lip stuff. So we're gonna be playing with some of this stuff today. So a big thank you to Covergirl for sending me all this good stuff. I think I'm gonna start with my eyes because I already have them primed and with my concealer. So they sent me a bunch of new eyeshadow palettes. We have this one right here. Got some really pretty browns and some earth tones in this one. We got this one, which is super colorful. I think I'm gonna play with this one today. And also this one. So I think these are the two palettes that I'm going to use today on my eyes. So this first palette is called Reverance. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. This is what it looks like. It's super duper pretty. A bunch of warm tones and some golds and stuff. So we're gonna dig into this one first. And I've never used Covergirl's eyeshadow, so I'm excited to see how these colors work out and if they blend, if they're pigmented. So let me zoom you guys in. So the first color that I'm gonna go in with is this one right here. And I'm just gonna start buffing that in my crease. Okay, so we have that color buffed all over our crease. I'm going to go in with this second kind of like reddish brown right here. So I'm gonna go into this colorful shadow palette. This one is called Zodiac. I'm gonna take this really pretty green right here. Kind of matches my nail polish. So we're gonna take that and we're gonna put it all over the lid. I am gonna spritz my brush with some Fix Plus just to make the eyeshadow a little bit more pigmented. So the pigmentation on these shadows are everything. They're like super pigmented, super buttery. As you can see, they're blending really nice. I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of like these two dark browns just to deepen up the crease. So this is what I have so far. I'm going to quickly do the other eye off camera and then I'll be back to finish off the eye look. So I'm going to try to keep this makeup look pretty affordable and pretty much all drugstore. So the lashes that I'm going to be using are from iEnvy from Kiss. I think these are like $3 or $4 at the beauty supply store, and this is what they look like. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop these on right quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so we have our lashes on. They're looking really nice and cute. So we're gonna move on to the face. I'm gonna use my new favorite foundation right now. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and I really do love this foundation a lot. I like the coverage. It's about medium to full coverage, and it does have a matte finish, and I can stand by the claim that it does keep your skin matte all day because my skin is super oily, and when I wear this foundation, my face stays in place pretty much like all day. So I'm in the shade Cinnamon. So I'm using my Morphe M439 to buff this foundation in. For concealer, I'm going to test out the new Covergirl Full Spectrum Concealer. I'm going to try the color Medium Neutral. I'm just going to blend that in with my damp beauty blender. So I just went ahead and added a little bit of a brighter color because that concealer, it wasn't light enough for me. So I just went in with a lighter color just to brighten up the under eye a little bit more. To set everything in place, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Powder in the color Medium Deep. To bronze up my skin, I'm going to use one of these Covergirl foundation powders. This one is in the color Deep Cool. I felt like this color will make a really good bronzer for my skin tone. So that's what we're going to use. I'm going to go back and work on my eyes again. I'm going to use just a regular black eyeliner, and I'm going to put this in my waterline. Now we're going to go back in with that green that we have on our lid, and I'm going to smudge that out on the bottom. I'm going to go in with the dark brown that we used earlier for our crease. I feel like I need like a pop in my inner corner, so I'm going to go in with this kind of like champagne-y gold color and put that in the inner corner. For a blush, I'm going to go in with my favorite blush ever. This is the Wet n Wild blush in Mellow Wine. So for highlighter, they came out with these really pretty like face palette that have like blush highlighter in them. So I'm going to use this one right here. It's super duper pretty. I'm gonna mix like these two colors right here. This is their Sculpt Expert palette in the color Rose. I'm just gonna go in with the clean powder brush just to like buff everything out, make sure everything nice and blended. Okay, so for the lip, I'm going to do something nude and glossy as always. That's my go-to. So I'm going to use Chesnut Lip Liner from MAC and just line my lips. For lipstick, I'm going to go in with this liquid lipstick from Karity called Tea Rose. I think I'm going to leave the lip like this for right now. I feel like it, I'll add some gloss. But for right now, I like the way it's looking like this. I'm just gonna finish off my face with some Fix Plus by MAC. Okay guys, so this is the final results of the makeup look. It turned out really cute. I'm really happy with the way it looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.